Imagine yourself as a radiant being of light, connected to the vast universe through your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. Your internal vibrations determine the reality you experience, shaping it with the divine power within you. Just as the Emerald Tablet teaches, your spiritual journey is a path of self-creation, where every thought and feeling influences the world around you. In this journey of self-discovery, you unlock the ancient wisdom of Hermetic teachings, realizing that the physical world is but a reflection of the spiritual realm. By aligning your thoughts with higher vibrations, you tap into the limitless power that flows through you, shaping your reality in ways you never thought possible. Your aura shines with vibrant colors and tones, reflecting the energy you emit into the universe. As you delve deeper into your spiritual awakening, you come to understand that you are not just a physical being, but a divine being of light and energy. Your body is a vessel for this divine power, a conduit through which you can manifest your desires and create the life you truly want. By staying connected to your inner truth and maintaining a constant state of high vibration, you become a beacon of light in a world filled with darkness. Every thought you think, every emotion you feel, and every belief you hold has a direct influence on the reality you perceive. By mastering your internal world, you gain control over your external circumstances, shaping them to align with your highest good. You are not a mere bystander in this journey called life. You are a co-creator, actively participating in the unfolding of your own destiny. As you continue on this path of spiritual growth, you begin to see the world in a new light. The veil of illusion is lifted, revealing the interconnectedness of all things and the power you hold within. Your journey is one of ascension, of rising to higher levels of consciousness and understanding. With each step you take, you move closer to the truth of who you are and the limitless potential that lies within you. Remember, you are not limited by the constraints of the physical world. You are a spiritual being having a human experience. Embrace the divine power within you, for it is the key to unlocking your true essence and living a life of joy, abundance, and fulfillment. Trust in the process. Believe in your own power and watch as the world around you transforms in ways you could only have dreamed of. The power is within you. It has always been there, waiting for you to awaken to your true potential. The Emerald Tablet is like a hidden treasure chest, waiting for those who seek to unlock its mysteries. It's not just a physical object, but a doorway to a realm of spiritual wisdom and enlightenment. By delving into its symbolic language, we can uncover profound truths about the universe and ourselves. Imagine the tablet as a mirror reflecting the deepest parts of your being. Its codes and metaphors are like whispers from the universe, guiding you on a journey of self-discovery and growth. As you decode its messages, you may find yourself aligning with higher vibrations and tapping into a wellspring of inner power. Each word and symbol on the tablet is a key that can unlock doors within your mind and soul. By understanding its hidden meanings, you can tap into the universal laws and principles that govern the cosmos. This ancient wisdom can help you navigate the complexities of life with clarity and purpose. The tablet speaks in the language of energy and light, connecting you to the vast web of existence that surrounds you. As you immerse yourself in its teachings, you may begin to see the world in a new light, noticing the subtle interplay of energies and auras that shape our reality. Through the Emerald Tablet, you can learn to harness the power of your thoughts and emotions, shaping your reality with intention and purpose. By attuning yourself to the constant flow of energy in the universe, you can become a co-creator of your own destiny, manifesting your desires with clarity and focus. In a world filled with distractions and noise, the tablet serves as a beacon of truth and clarity, guiding you back to your inner essence. It reminds you that beneath the layers of physical form, you are a spiritual being connected to the vast tapestry of the universe. As you journey deeper into the mysteries of the Emerald Tablet, you may find yourself awakening to a higher truth, one that transcends the limits of the physical world. It is a reminder that we are all interconnected, part of a greater whole that pulses with the energy of creation. So take a moment to pause, to reflect, and to listen to the whispers of the tablet. Allow its wisdom to seep into your being, guiding you on a path of spiritual growth and enlightenment. Embrace the journey, for the Emerald Tablet is not just a text. It is a key to unlocking the secrets of the universe within you. Imagine the tablet as a mirror reflecting the connection between the spiritual and physical realms. Your inner world of thoughts and emotions is like a painter, creating the canvas of your external reality. By understanding this, you hold the key to unlock your true potential. In this universal dance of energy, your aura radiates colors and tones that reveal your current state of being. Vibrating at a higher frequency aligns you with the spiritual realms, allowing for a constant flow of light and power. Your emotions act as a compass, guiding you towards growth and harmony in both the spiritual and physical planes. As you journey within, you discover that the physical body is merely a vessel for your spiritual essence. By positioning yourself at the right angle, you can feel the energy of the universe flowing through you, influencing your experiences and interactions with the world. This connection is not random, but a deliberate dance of influence and manifestation. Through the ancient wisdom of Hermetic teachings, you awaken to the truth that everything is interconnected. Your thoughts have the power to shape your reality, transcending the limits of the physical realm. By embracing this truth, you ascend to a higher level of consciousness, where you are in control of your destiny. The tablet reminds you that the spiritual and physical are intertwined, each influencing the other in a delicate balance. By staying aligned with your true self and the universal energies, you can harness the power of your thoughts and emotions to create a life filled with joy, love, and abundance. Remember, you are not just a human of flesh and bone, but a spiritual being capable of great transformation. In this journey of self-discovery and spiritual awakening, you come to realize that the universe is always speaking to you, guiding you towards your highest path. By listening to the whispers of your soul and following the signs around you, you can unlock the mysteries of the universe and live a life filled with purpose and meaning. Embrace the interconnectedness of all things, for in that realization lies the true essence of spirituality. Imagine yourself as a radiant being of light, connected to the vast universe through a constant flow of energy. By recognizing this truth, you unlock the key to your own spiritual awakening. Your aura, a colorful field of energy surrounding your physical body, reflects your internal state and influences your reality. As you align your thoughts and emotions with higher vibrations, you begin a transformative journey towards spiritual growth. By harmonizing your consciousness with the universal forces at play, you position yourself to receive messages and guidance from the higher realms. This connection allows you to tap into the power within you and control the direction of your life. Through the ancient wisdom of Hermetic teachings, you remember that everything is interconnected, the spiritual and the physical, the seen and the unseen. By embracing this truth, you can determine the course of your reality, no longer at the mercy of random events. Your spiritual awakening is a direct path to ascension, a process of elevating your being to higher levels of consciousness. In this state of alignment and balance, you are no longer just a human of flesh and bone. You are a spiritual being, experiencing life in its truest form. Emotions like joy and love flow through you effortlessly, as you are in tune with the universal harmony. Your spiritual awakening is a reminder of who you truly are, a being of light and love, connected to all that is. As you continue on this journey of self-discovery and spiritual growth, you will see the world in a new light. The colors and tones around you will appear more vibrant as you become more attuned to the energy flowing through everything. Your spiritual awakening is a constant process of evolution, guiding you towards a higher state of being. By recognizing and harmonizing the universal forces within yourself, you open the door to a reality filled with limitless possibilities. Your spiritual awakening is not just a moment in time, but a continuous state of being. Embrace this journey of self-discovery and transformation, for it holds the key to unlocking your true potential and living a life in alignment with the highest truths of the universe. Discernment and self-awareness are like a compass guiding us through the vast sea of life. Imagine your consciousness as a powerful tablet, capable of deciphering between truth and illusion. By tapping into your inner power, you can unlock the mysteries of the universe. As you awaken spiritually, you begin to see beyond the physical realm. You realize that there is more to life than what meets the eye. Your energy shifts, vibrating at a higher frequency, connecting you to the spiritual realm. Auras become visible, colors and tones dancing around beings, revealing their true essence. In this journey of self-discovery, you learn to position yourself at the right angle to perceive the world in its true light. You feel a constant flow of energy, radiating from within and around you. This energy is not just a physical force, it is the essence of your being, connected to the vast universe. Through self-reflection and meditation, you unlock the key to your inner power. You understand that you are not just a physical body, but a spiritual being with limitless potential. By aligning yourself with this truth, you can tap into a higher level of consciousness and influence your reality. In this state of heightened awareness, you are in control of your thoughts and emotions. You no longer react to the world around you, but respond from a place of inner harmony. Your actions are guided by a deep sense of purpose, and you radiate joy and peace wherever you go. As you continue on this path of spiritual growth, you remember that the physical world is just a reflection of the spiritual realm. Everything is interconnected, and your thoughts have the power to shape your reality. By staying aligned with your true self, you ascend to higher levels of consciousness and unlock the ancient wisdom within you. Embrace this awakening with an open heart and mind. Allow the light of truth to illuminate your path and guide you towards a deeper understanding of the universe. Remember, you are not just a human made of flesh and bone. You are a spiritual being with the power to transcend all limits and soar to new heights of consciousness. Imagine your body as a vessel of energy, constantly vibrating at a certain frequency. By becoming aware of this internal vibration, you can tap into your operational divine power. Just like tuning a radio to a specific station, you can align your energy to attract experiences that resonate with your true essence. Your aura, the energetic field surrounding your physical body, is a reflection of your internal vibrations. By consciously working with the colors and tones of your aura, you can unlock hidden potential and connect with the higher realms of existence. Each color carries a unique vibration, influencing your thoughts, emotions, and overall well-being. As you navigate the journey of self-realization, remember that you are not just a physical being, but a spiritual being connected to the vast universe. Your thoughts and emotions have the power to shape your reality, creating a ripple effect in the energetic fabric of existence. By staying aligned with your true essence, you can harness the unlimited potential of your divine energy. The key to unlocking your operational divine power lies in understanding that everything is interconnected. Your thoughts, emotions, and actions send out energetic signals that reverberate throughout the universe. By consciously choosing positive thoughts and emotions, you can elevate your vibration and attract experiences that align with your highest good. In moments of doubt or uncertainty, remember that you have the power to shift your perspective and realign with your true essence. By focusing on feelings of joy, love, and gratitude, you can elevate your vibration and open yourself up to new possibilities. Trust in the divine flow of energy and allow it to guide you on your path of spiritual growth. Embrace the ancient wisdom of Hermetic teachings that remind you of the direct influence your internal vibrations have on your external reality. By mastering your thoughts and emotions, you can transcend the limitations of the physical world and tap into the boundless potential of the spiritual realm. Stay connected to the divine source within you and let your light shine brightly in the world.